Hey yo, what it is, guys? What's up? Finally off work, and I dropped by the parts store to get what I needed so we could get the lube put back together. Yeah. So at Honda, I got this washer, and then I got me a couple of bolts to bolt up the brackets for the rack and pinion. These are the ones that I had, and I was missing two, so here's two more. Let's get the lube put back together. Yeah. All right, the rack and pinion is mounted down pretty good. Everything lines up. We good to go. Yo, I remember all too well why doing the rack and pinion was really hard. It's not that it's hard, it's just that it's really hard to connect the power steering lines to the rack and pinion. Let me show you. All right, so here we are behind the intake. And I don't know if you can see down there. You see that shiny nut right there down there? So I'm only able to move it like a little bit. And look how much thread is left on that thing. That doesn't look like much, but yo, there's a second one right there. So that's the one I just finished. And yo, that took so freaking long. It's just so tedious. Like, I'm reaching and I can barely turn. And sometimes I drop my tool and that is not fun. So it does suck that the rack and pinion went out, but yo, it couldn't have went out at a better time. I was gonna replace the catalytic converter. So with me having to do the rack and pinion, I had to get the exhaust out the way. Since I got the rack and pinion in, now I have access to the catalytic converter, which we got all the way over there. So this rack and pinion job made life easier by being able to do the catalytic converter as well. Yeah. All right, so I'm working with the Walker Ultra catalytic converters. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Check out this bad boy. Let's go and get the old one out. I don't care what anyone says. Even though it's just a bolt-on, I hate messing with the freaking exhaust. Cause yo, it's just so awkward laying so deep in the car. Your arms up above your head the whole time, and you gotta let stuff lean on you and try to do stuff one-handed. It's really awkward. If there's an easy way to do this, then I'm really missing out. All right, so the wheels are on, but there is a problem. I'm trying to connect the rack and pinion to the steering column. But yeah, this piece right here is not going all the way down. Yo, check this out. This is what the issue was. Rack and pinion's out. And if you look very closely, you can see how it is not nice and straight right there. So this will go on. But pretty much it'll get to like the top of this part, and yeah. All right, so I got my Dremel set up. This disc is kind of thick, so I'm gonna just cut like in a little angle. I'm just trying to thin out these grooves so this thing will fit on there pretty nicely. And there you go, fellas. Check that out. Woohoo! Nice fitment. I'm finally done. Not really done, but I got the steering rack back on, the rack and pinion, and I was able to connect the freaking connector between the rack and the steering column. Oh yeah, got it bolted down and everything. So all I gotta do is fill up the power steering fluid and bleed out the air, and put the tie rod and wheels back on, and we're Gucci. Yeah. Yo, I'm excited, proud to say, super excited to announce that the lube is all back together. Woo! First start in like over a week. Let's do this thing. Woo. We'll get these out the way. Oh shoot. Make sure you get the Honda genuine power steering fluid. Looks like we still need a lot more. Should have More power steering fluid. I remember I bought a freaking box load, but maybe I only got like one. Let's see. That's Quick Trip. Yo, do I need more power steering fluid? I probably do. Well, alright guys, I regret to say this, but I'm gonna have to end the video right here. It's Saturday and it's just past 5 o'clock. I'm out of power steering fluid. I'll probably need like another 2, I guess 3 bottles. The parts store at Honda is gonna be closed tomorrow. So I'm gonna have to wait till Monday to get the remaining power steering fluid. But I mean, it ain't all bad news. It's the weekend and next week I'm gonna be moving to Texas. I guess I need to chill, relax, and I guess start packing, you know, get ready to go, hit the road, you know. A lot of big things about to happen, yo. But that's what we all about, you know. We're all about growing, making moves, and, you know, just trying to better ourselves. So thanks a lot, guys, for dropping by. See you guys in the next one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. All right, yo. Bye.